watching the video of Epiphany. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can find lots of reviews and pictures online that are given by guests in Georgios. Its review rating is 10.0,
which is the exceptional.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is attractive. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several views and others are
So that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.